welcome to this video from Dr. Lock. So today we've come to a job where this is a Volkswagen and where the key, this one did come out, but you might have it so you can't actually turn the key and turn the car off. So there's a part inside here that you've got to pull the whole ignition apart and remove that because it has something to do with the steering lock, and it basically jams it up. So now with the part removed we can use this correctly, and so I'm just using it with one hand, so that's the starter, and the steering lock then gets projected out of that. So unfortunately everything has to come apart, whole steering lock, steering wheel, airbag, everything needs to come off. So all I'm going to do now, I won't put it in the video, I might just do it once I finish. This has a flat battery, it's been sitting here for a couple of months, so I dare say there's no power to it at all, and I'm in a remote location, so I dare say the customer couldn't find anybody to actually get this job done. I'm actually over the border in New South Wales, roughly around Ballina, and yeah, so now that this ignition works really well, there's no resistance or anything like that, so we'll put it together. If I do have enough power we'll jump the car, but the key is the same, transponder's the same, so all it was is a stuck ignition, so we know that everything's the same, and we'll just put it all back together and happy days. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we just finished this, we finally got the car started, we've got enough battery power, and that's it. Thanks for watching.